Hi fellas, my name is Rita JL and warmly welcome to Rita Finance YouTube channel. And as usual, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to it and share this video with your friends, loved one, workmates, classmates, schoolmates, and anyone who you think is going to benefit from the teachings that we are providing in this channel. And also do not forget to like the video. In today's topic, we are going to learn about common mistake that most of the borrowers do when they apply for a loan. And knowing this mistake can be put you in knowing these mistakes can put you in a better position to manage well your lenders when you are submitting your loan request. Without further ado, let me start with mistake number 1. And the mistake is exaggerating your income. When you submit your loan application to your lenders usually request you to submit your cash flow projections for the specific period of the loan tenure which you are requesting for. And most of the borrowers do a mistake of over-exaggerating their sales budget, their sales revenue, showing that they are going to meet a very high number of volume of sales during the next 5 years, 1 year, or even 3 years. So it depends on the loan tenure. So do not make this mistake of exaggerating your sales budget, as lenders usually examine your sales budgets to see if these sales budgets can be able to meet the maturing obligation of this new loan which you're requesting for, the existing debt, and even the operating expenses that the company is having. So they could make comparison with the historical performance which you'll be having and the current financial performance in your P&L. So do not make this mistake of over-exaggerating your financial your sales budget. This can give an indication to the borrowers, to the lenders, that you are too ambitious in your projection. The second mistake that most of the borrowers do is not reporting debt. Lenders usually want to compare the number of debts which you're having outstanding with other lenders and the current debts which you're requesting from them, the new lender. So if you're having loans from Bank A, B, and now you're requesting a loan from lender C, just disclose that loan to them. Do not hide any information from them. And the matter can be worse if they just find that loan from a credit reference bureau that you are having a debt from lender A and B, and you have defaulted or you are in past due with that lender and you have not disclosed it to them. So this may give them an indication that you are a defaulter and the chances of you to get that loan will be low. Another common mistake that most of the borrowers do is overvaluing the value of collateral or assets. Any assets that you're pledging as collateral to the borrower, do not over-evaluate their value. Do not present a high value so that you can get a large amount of loan. Leave that work of evaluation to specific valuers and the genuine ones, and they as professionals will have to provide a true value of the valuation of the valuation of that property. Don't collide with the value and tell the valuer to write a specific value to attach it to that collateral so that you can get a specific amount of loan. Don't do that. Be professional and leave that work to the professional valuers. Another fourth mistake that most of the borrowers do in their loan application is misrepresenting the purpose of the loan. Lenders usually request for the purpose of the loan. They want to know where are you going to put the funds which you have requested from them. And if the purpose of the loan is for working capital, let it be known to your lender that this purpose is for working capital. Do not take the purpose for working capital, the funds for working capital, and go use it to the long-term capital expenditure, to the capex. So if the funds are for capex, tell your lender it's for capex, and tell your lender this is for working capital. Don't misrepresent the purpose of your loan. And the last mistake which most of the borrowers do is to provide false employment details. This is specifically for people who are requesting personal loan and their dependence on their salary from their employers to service that loan which they are requesting from the lender. Don't forge any information from your employer. Don't lie. If you have borrowed to from another lender, tell them, disclose it. Don't hide anything fishy regarding your employment status to your lenders. If you do so, this can give a negative signal to the lenders and the chances of you to get the loan might be low. So fella, that's the end of our video, and thank you very much for watching up to here. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share. Till next time, see you, and don't forget to keep it locked with the Rita series. This is Rita JL.